Hey guys, and welcome to Fortechpedia. And please, no need to worry, and please don't call the cops. I'm not unboxing a bomb. What I was talking about in the description is not a real bomb, it's the Embrain sound bomb, which looks like a grenade. So don't worry, and let's get to unboxing this device. So, first thing first, I cannot find it online, so I bought it from a local shop for around, I bought it for 800 rupees and it says here around 2000 rupees. So that doesn't matter. So let's see what's in the box. So there you go. Here is the grenade, a very grenade-like design. I would say good rubber feel. There is the speaker window over here. This latch gives you the feel like a grenade pin. Oh my god, run everyone. So here is your charging port, your SD card reader, your power button. So there is your play pause button, your volume up and down button. I guess this also works as your next and previous song button. Let's see what else is in the box. So there is just one charging cable. It's a normal charging cable, micro USB to USB. So I guess I have it already. Let's just put it back. So this bomb looks nice. Let's see how it sounds. So now let's go ahead and pair it with my device. So I'll just turn on this button.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Nice commands. Okay, let's see.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So it is here BT4000 and it also shows its battery. Pretty quick connection. So now let me just go and play some music and see what the sound. So let's first test some bass. Just a young girl with the quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. And it also changes song directly from this button, and these are pretty quick. A young girl with the quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box with the mold, have a seat in the foyer. Take a number. So the sound is very good, I guess. The bass is also nice, not very loud, but you see this is a small device, and I like the sound commands it gives. So overall I would say very good product for the price, at least. For having around 800 rupees is nothing much. Good looking, I guess. The main selling point of this device is the looks, the design of this device. So you also have from devices from Philips and other companies, but they are so simple and plain, and it looks fun. So overall reviews, very nice product, very loud voice, very good sound quality, and I think if you are looking for something different, I guess you should buy this one. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share this video.